Adventures with Hayes, another day, another trail. Today we are on the North Country Trail. Today's segment is the Croton Dam to 40th Street Trail. Alright, so we're at the Croton Hydro. And it's off of the Muskegon River here. Highlights. Good tidbits and information. And of course, we're on the North Country Scenic Trail. Here, so I'm gonna hike. 3 is where I'm supposed to be going, which is supposed to be a 10-mile point-to-point hike. I'm sure with the weather being how it is, I'm not gonna do the full point-to-point. I'll more than likely do 5-6 miles halfway in and then hike back, but that'll still get me in between, you know, somewhere like 10 miles on my 100-mile hike challenge on the NCT. So let's see where this trail goes and let's hit it. Before we hop on the trail, give you guys a nice visual of the Croton Dam. Just a little. And this is always one of my favorite part of the trails is signing in. Literally, you gotta love that part, man. Checking on in, letting them know you did your thing. Who knows, you know, what this sheet will mean hundreds of years from now. All this data, all that artifacts. Not too bad, y'all. Trees keeping that wind off me. Got a little residential area to my right here. I'm gonna come out on Croton Drive and Pine Ave, and the rest of the trail is right over here. So far, about 2.5 miles in, I did encounter my first fellow hiker out here. She was with her dog. I think she said she's been out here for about 2 days, and was planning on staying out longer, but she forgot her rain cover. Well, no, her rain cover didn't fit her tent, so she had to pack it up and come on in. But we had a cool conversation. She didn't know about the hashtag hike 100 NCT, so I put her onto that. And yeah, always nice to see some people out here not in these streets, in these woods. Trespassing is the best way to meet the Lord. All right then, bucko. Switch up the scenery a little bit. A little lighter than the dense forest we've been trekking through. All right, so this is 56th Street or road, and we're hiking to 40th. So just to let you guys know just how far we've come and how far we have to go. Yeah, across this old dirt road. Nice colors. Oh, such an aesthetically pleasing forest. Everything lined up perfect. I meant that when I said this forest was aesthetically pleasing. Yeah, it's like perfectly lined up. That's what I'm talking about. All right, so the rain decided to come back on out, I guess. So I'm not too far from my marker that I was intending, which was 5 miles. So 5 miles to that point that I'll get to, and then 5 miles back, which will tally me up today at 10 miles for the Hike 100 North Country Trail. So, you know, I got kids at home, weather ugly, got to make good use of the time I'm allowed to maneuver and do my thing, while also, you know, being a good parent and making sure I stay in tune with the kids. All right, so the weather has turned into light snow. So I'm gonna go ahead and head back, you guys. I'm at about 4.5 miles. Back into the forest I go, back to the car. Anybody want a Twizzler? It's a long road. Take one or forever hold your peace. All right. Six miles. Oh, Michigan, if we would just get a wildlife and a living things a chance at a nice week of warmth, maybe, you know, things will fill in a little bit here. Lush green forest. Hey, mossy, okay. That good moss, man. Oh yeah, that's soft, bruh. I need a rug. Sign my way in the logbook, y'all. We out. You know, being out in the forest as well helps you appreciate things like rain, you know. You always want to hike on a beautiful trail, so the only way to get a beautiful trail is for the rain to drop the nutrients in the water, you know what I'm saying, and make sure things turn this color. But anyway, look, y'all, way up, way up. Views of the Muskegon River. On the outer banks. 2 big geese on the trail and their little babies. Hopefully they move. I don't want no confrontations. I give them their respect though. That wraps up today's hike. Another trailblaze on Adventures with Hayes. Y'all know what to do. If y'all like this video or any of my videos that you've come across, go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe, and then make sure you share it and tell a friend to come on Adventures with Hayes. Y'all have a good one. It's been real. And as always, on my way out of any little small town, I always got to hit up their gas stations and see if they got some good pizza. So, yes indeed. Until we meet again, it's been real.